Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best folding electric bike? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best folding electric bike on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check the user to see which one is in your budget range. Studying at Top 5. ANCHEER Electric Bike. The ANCHEER electric mountain bike with a peak 750W motor offers robust performance for adult riders seeking adventure and commuting convenience. Its 26-inch wheels ensure stability across various terrains, from rugged trails to city streets. This electric bike combines power and efficiency, ideal for tackling steep inclines and covering long distances effortlessly. The integrated battery provides ample range, supporting extended rides without frequent recharges. Featuring durable construction and ergonomic design, it prioritizes rider comfort with adjustable components and reliable braking systems for enhanced safety. The Sunshine Commuter Bike variant from ANCHEER complements urban lifestyles with its lightweight frame and agile handling, perfect for daily commuting or leisurely rides. Both models exemplify ANCHEER's commitment to quality and innovation, catering to diverse preferences and ensuring a satisfying riding experience for adult cyclists of all levels. Top 4. Shengmilo MX06 Adult Electric Bicycle. The Shengmilo MX06 Adult Electric Bicycle is gaining attention for its robust features and performance. Powered by a 1000W motor, it offers impressive speed and torque suitable for various terrains. Its large-capacity lithium battery provides extended range, ideal for long rides without frequent recharges. The MX06 is equipped with a durable aluminum alloy frame, ensuring stability and durability while keeping the bike lightweight. Riders appreciate its dual suspension system, enhancing comfort and handling on rough roads or trails. The bike also features advanced braking systems for safety, including front and rear disc brakes. With ergonomic design elements such as an adjustable seat and handlebars, the MX06 offers a customizable riding experience for adults seeking both reliability and adventure in their electric bike journeys. Top 3. D-Power A1 Folding Electric Bicycle. The D-Power A1 folding electric bicycle is gaining attention for its versatility and performance. It features a robust design suitable for urban commuting and recreational rides alike. With a lightweight aluminum alloy frame, it offers ease of portability and storage. The A1 is equipped with a powerful motor, providing ample assistance for uphill climbs and extended distances. Its foldable design makes it convenient for storage in compact spaces like apartments or offices. The bike includes reliable disc brakes for responsive stopping power and ensures safety on varied terrains. Additionally, its ergonomic design and adjustable components contribute to a comfortable riding experience. For urban commuters seeking a blend of portability, performance, and comfort, the D-Power A1 folding electric bicycle stands out as a compelling option in the market. Top 2. ZPW RS6 Electric Bike. The ZPW RS6 Electric Bike is a recent entrant in the electric bike market, known for its powerful performance and sleek design. Featuring a robust 750W motor, it offers impressive speed and agility, making it suitable for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The bike is equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, providing a long riding range per charge. Its durable aluminum alloy frame ensures stability and durability, while keeping the overall weight manageable. The RS6 includes advanced features like dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power, a comfortable suspension system for smoother rides on rough terrain, and an LCD display for easy monitoring of speed, battery life, and distance traveled. Ideal for riders seeking a versatile and reliable electric bike, the ZPW RS6 combines modern technology with practical design elements for an enjoyable riding experience. Top 1. D-Power 2000W Adults Electric Bike. The D-Power 2000W Adults Electric Bike offers powerful performance tailored for enthusiasts seeking robust electric biking experiences. With a 2000W motor, it provides substantial torque and acceleration, making it suitable for various terrains and riding conditions. The bike features a durable frame designed for stability and comfort, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable ride. Its advanced battery system delivers long-lasting power, offering extended range per charge. The D-Power 2000W electric bike also includes modern conveniences like LED displays for easy monitoring of speed and battery life, alongside ergonomic design elements for enhanced comfort during longer rides. Ideal for both commuting and recreational cycling, this bike combines high-performance capabilities with user-friendly features, catering to the needs of avid cyclists and adventurers alike.